process sound internal is not known. Okay, so there's process sound internal, and there's it being called. Ah, I see. The issue is that we're passing in a buffer here. Yes, it will need a buffer. A filter buffer. Yeah, like that. So effect entity actually has quite a number of calls. Yeah. And the other issue is that in our effect entity.mm, I think I can just move over. No. Effect entity.mm. When we do the collide, we don't transfer the sound over after the sound is processed. I don't think process sound does that. Let me steal this one. So in process sound, what do? We keep going over stuff, and we push them to the out buffers. And at the end, we release the original sound, and we erase it. Yeah. So M out buffers Yes, it appears we don't do anything with that. At this point, we can already start pushing it onto the output sound. Yeah. So anyway, right here is this is the latest point where we could do something like this. Ideally we do something in the loop. And use thread safe stuff. So we do in fact, like this, self-process sound. And I have to do the to-do. To-do decide where to delete them. Because right now they're not being dereferenced. Okay. So at this point, we have the M output. What was it? M out entity. And we can do the add buffer calls. It's being displayed on the lower side of the screen, the lower left. So you just do M out buffers. I think that's right. and then this will transfer the sound to be used. And the question is if this guy takes these sounds and spits them out in make bounce sound. Yeah, this should do it. Okay, so this probably works now. I'm gonna run again. Hello, this is me. You're hearing, so that's a different type of feedback. That's still interesting. So what happened there, it seemed like the first thing I said, which was a sentence in English, was cancelled out by a subsequent tap that I made. And that caused a new sound to be loaded into effect entity and somehow obliterated the other one, which is no good. I don't know why that happened, but we have to find out. Yes. But that being said, we now have an effect that does nothing, but an effect that also, you know, besides doing nothing, it makes a sound. Let's hold that thought. I think I'm gonna stop the programming stream today here, and do the rest of the debugging offline, or not on YouTube. And hopefully when I get back to this tomorrow, I'll have something cool to show you guys. It's already 8, so I'll probably do another 1 or 2 hours. Then have to, yeah. So, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.